Having guests staying in our home is something that we're always looking forward to. In this video, I'll share with you some of the things that we do to help our guests feel welcome and special. Number one is to have a clean bedroom. Your guests will be so appreciative of the fact that they're coming to a clean and nice bedroom. Tip number two will be to have the Wi-Fi password and username available for them as soon as they come in. People want to get connected if they're not in the same country or same region. That's very useful for them. What I do is to put it on a nice picture frame on their nightstand. Tip number three would be to have fresh towels waiting for them. As you can see here, I have one big towel and the washcloths. Tip number four would be to have some toiletries for them, like shampoo, conditioner, soap. Travel-sized toiletries make them feel more comfortable that they don't have to share yours. And they are an inexpensive detail that can make a big difference. I always include a shower cap there too. Tip number five is to have a handwritten card and a little gift. Now the gift is optional, but the card will be so special when they come in and they see the handwritten card telling them how grateful you are that they are here with you. Tip number six will be to have a charging station. Have USB ports and electrical outlets easily accessible, plus I'll recommend to have an electric adapter for those visitors that are coming from another continent. Tip number seven is closet space. The bedroom where our guests stay is our son's bedroom, so they don't have a full closet, but at least have some space for them to hang their clothes, hangers, space for shoes. And since we don't have big drawers or a dresser, we provide empty baskets for them to put those clothes that can be hung. Tip number eight is to have some clean counter space and an empty drawer. So in their nightstands here, I'll make sure that there's space where they can put their stuff in and an empty drawer where they can, put their passports or their wallets or anything that is more private. Tip number nine will be to have clean and fresh bed sheets. And for extra freshness, you can always toss them in the drying machine and put a drying sheet so they will be extra fresh and cozy when they come in. Tip number 10 is to have water bottles and snacks. Most of the time guests come after a long trip, so having water and snacks available is great for them so they can feel hydrated and not feel uncomfortable that they have to ask you for food or anything. I found that dry fruit, nuts, and granola bars make the best snacks for guests. I would suggest to keep your bottles and snacks contained in a basket or a tray so it will be more organized. Of course, the best gift you can give your guests is a big smile. Like this video if it was useful for you and subscribe to my channel if you're new. For more tips, you can click the videos right here. See you in the next one. Bye!